Easy vegetarian enchilada pie bake is a fun twist on traditional enchiladas. Plus, layering the ingredients into a pie is so much easier than rolling them up. A one-pot layered enchilada casserole that is bursting with cheese, beans, rice, and of course enchilada sauce makes it perfect to pack for work or lunchbox as well. Welcome to Bauna's Kitchen. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of dry pinto beans. Wash really well. Add pinto beans into the pressure cooker pot. Add 2 cups of water. Salt to taste. Lock the cooker and set to 25 minutes for beans. When done, open and check if they are done. Drain out boiled pinto beans and grind to a coarse mixture. And now let's make refried beans. Take a tablespoon of oil into the medium-sized pot. Add garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add prepared pinto beans. Now add spices like ground cumin, paprika. Mix really well. And the refried beans is ready. Keep on side. If desired, shallow fry the corn tortillas. One can use white or yellow variety of corn tortillas. Next, I'm going to show you my quick version of enchilada sauce today. Basically, instant enchilada sauce. Into the pot, take 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of flour. Cook the flour slightly till it changes the color. 1/4 cup paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, salt to taste. Ready to add water. In the beginning, just add a little bit of water, mix it all really well, and then add more water as needed. Tomato paste if desired. Vinegar, and bring sauce to boil. Thickness of the sauce can be adjusted as per your liking. Enchilada sauce is ready. For preparing brown rice, take 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. To that, add paprika, little bit of turmeric, salt, and place it into your rice cooker. Cover the pot half open to prevent mess. Rice is ready as well. Finally, it's time to assemble the enchilada pie. Grease the baking tray with oil. Layer corn tortillas. Drizzle enchilada sauce. Spread the brown rice. Layer of refried beans. I also love to add corn, so here I have frozen thawed corn kernels. My next layer is going to be vegetables like onion, colorful bell pepper. Next, the layer of cheese. And I like lots of cheese. And now basically repeat the layers until all the ingredients are finished. Once the enchilada pie is assembled, it can be refrigerated for up to a week, and that's what makes it perfect for the school lunchbox or workplace. Bake enchilada pie for 5 minutes into the microwave or for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit into the oven. Garnish with spring onion. My favorite is to serve with sliced avocado. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your iOS, Android devices. And if you want to watch me on a big TV screen, if you have a smart TV, you can watch Bhavna's Kitchen on Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.